Hello, my name's David Ischak. I'm a technical trainer for Vokèra boilers. We're here at our London Colney showrooms. In this short video, I will show you how to use the embedded Screed drying program on our Vokèra Synergy boilers. The Vokèra Synergy boiler has an embedded Screed drying function. It lasts 7 days and the boiler operates at low temperature, progressively slowly increasing and decreasing that temperature over the 7 days to aid a builder drying out a newly laid screed floor above underfloor heating pipework. I'll now show you how to set up the Screed drying function. There are several steps to enable the Screed drying program. I'll wake the display up with a press on any button. The first step is make sure the boiler's in standby. Now we must enter installer parameters. So press and hold the menu button for 2 seconds. User parameters. We need to go deeper, so press and hold the menu button for a further 2 seconds. The password is requested. The password is 18. Use the buttons on the right to select 18. Top left to enter installer parameters. Use the buttons on the right to select parameter set 4. Press top left to enter. The first parameter we need is parameter 415, main zone type. There are 2 types of zone. 0 represents a high temperature zone. The boiler will allow the heating water to achieve 80 degrees. If we change that 0 to 1, the boiler now will not permit such high temperatures. And this is the setting we need for Screed drying program. So select 1, press the menu button to enter. Now we need to return to parameter 409, Screed function. Press top left to enter. 0 means it's disabled. Change it to 1. Press menu to lock that in. Now we can return to the main display. The boiler is now locked in the Screed drying program. That program will last 7 days or 168 hours. To find out whereabouts in that program the boiler is, a brief press on the menu button will show information 001, Screed heating hours. Press top left to enter. This boiler has just started the program, so it hasn't completed 1 hour yet. To return to the previous screen, press bottom left. Now, if it's a combination boiler, in the Screed drying program, it will not supply heating water or hot water. It's locked into providing a gradual increase in low temperature water to dry up the Screed. If the power is disconnected from the boiler at any time during the Screed drying program, when it is reconnected, the program will restart from the point that it was stopped. Once the Screed drying program is finished, we'll need to change zone type back to high temperature again. So a press and hold on the menu button, user parameters. Press and hold the menu button. Password is requested. 18, press and enter. Select parameter set 4. Press to enter. If we select 409, Screed drying program, press to enter. I will cancel that now. Lock that new setting in. Select 415, press to enter. Select the high temperature setting now. We use bottom left to return to the main screen. I hope this information has been useful. Thank you very much.